Hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the end of November. So let's start. So Aquarius, your partner's feelings for you right now are, let's see, what is your partner feeling for you? Aquarius, your partner's current feelings for you are... Eight of Swords, mentally conflicted. They are feeling like they're in some kind of jail. They can't let you go out of their head. They are trying their best to come out of this situation, this a mental situation. They have created some kind of walls. They have created some kind of mental jail around them, and they're constantly thinking about you, about this connection, but not able to take any kind of decision as of now. They are feeling like they are being in some kind of jail or mental jail or some kind of circle where they can't where they are not able to come out of it no matter how hard they are trying. So it's kind of they are thinking about you constantly 24/7, can't let you go out of their head. Let me clarify the Eight of Swords is their current feelings for you. It's kind of complicated energy that you are dealing with right now, Aquarius. Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Cups and the Devil. They feel like having a restart with you. They feel like having a stable energy. They feel like having a financial stability first, then restart this connection with you because they are highly obsessed with you. Highly obsessed with you. They can't let you go because they are obsessed with you. They are very possessive about you. They are very addicted to you. Okay, and that's why they just can't let you go. They feel like they should be financially stable first, then they are going to offer you this cup of love because they have lots of feelings for you and because they're addicted to you. Could be dealing with a Capricorn here or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, any of these signs. So they can't let you go because they're highly obsessed with you, highly addicted to you kind of energy. Let me see, what do you feel for them, Aquarius? Queen of Cups, you love them. You love this person a lot, Aquarius. You have lots of love for this person. It's kind of, care kind of love. Not lustful love, not sex kind of love. This is kind of pure love that you are feeling for this particular person. Kind of love from the heart. This is what you feel for them. You deeply love them. Deeply care for them. Let me clarify it. The Queen of Cups. As your feelings for them. King of Swords and the Chariot and the Seven of Swords. Okay, although you love this person a lot, I feel like you're hiding your emotions from them. You're trying to move on from them, and you're acting very defensive, cold and off and detached towards them. You feel like, why the hell should I give them love if they are not caring about me? Okay, because I see this person is acting weird with you, or they are not telling exactly what they are feeling for you. That's why this is frustrating for you. You are telling them that you don't love them or you don't care for them, but you do. You're trying your best to move on from this situation, from this person, but you're not able to do that. You are trying to show them that you don't care, and you're acting very defensive towards them and cold and detached and off towards them. It's like the opposite of what you are feeling. You're showing them that you don't care, but you do. You love them a lot. Love them a lot, Aquarius. Can't deny. No matter how hard you're trying, you can't deny. Let's see what this person wants from you. Aquarius, let's see. Six of Swords. This person wants a peaceful resolution, a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing right now. For some of you, there's a third party situation. Because of this third party, they are not able to move on, or they are not able to come towards you, although they want to, but they are not able to do that because of the third party here. It could be anyone. It could be a romantic third party, or it could be a father or mother, or someone who is like very close to them, who is influencing them. Okay, what they want from you is the Six of Swords. They want a peaceful resolution. They want to come out. They want you to come out of this past baggage or past energy. They want you to find a solution to this problem. They're like, I'm fed up of the problems. Now find a solution. What is the solution to this problem? This is what they want from you, a solution. Let me clarify the Six of Swords as what they want from you. see. Knight of Wands and the Page of Pentacles and the Five of Wands. They want you to go towards them and open up to them and message them or text them or call them, or you know, open up the conversation between them and end the fight. You guys are fighting a lot these days. Might be in the recent past you guys are fighting a lot, and they want you to come towards them. Okay, go towards them and open up the communication channels between you guys and end up the fight. You guys are fighting a lot and finding a peaceful resolution for the fight that you guys are dealing with, for the conflicts that you guys are dealing with. This is what they want from you. They want you to go towards them and talk to them and find a peaceful solution to the problems that you guys are facing, or the fights that you guys are having, constant fights that you guys are having. So this is what they want from you, peaceful solution. Let's see what you want from them. Let's see. Chariot, you want success with them. For some of you, it's like you want to move on from them for the time being, and for some of you, you want to have a success. You are very determined. You want them to be successful in this connection with you. You are very determined that you want this person back in your life. Whereas, let me clarify the Chariot, because one card has so many meanings. Before clarifying, I can't say anything. Let me clarify. High Priestess and the Tower and the three. Oh, you want this person to realize, you want this person to tap into their intuition and realize that you are the one for them, and leave the third party or break up with the third party or work on the situation. If there is no third party, you better know the situation, Aquarius. If there is no third party, you want this person to tap into their intuition and realize that both of you can work on this situation. Okay, and you want them to be very, very determined to make this thing work out this time. You want them to realize that you guys can work on this situation no matter how hard it is right now. You want them to open up and listen to their intuition. And for some of you, you just want them to realize the equation between you guys and leave the third party. Okay, break up with the third party and listen to your intuition and be very determined that you are going to make this time with them. You are going to make this thing work out with them. This is what you want from them. You want them to be successful, you want them to be determined, and you want them to put in effort, put in energy from their side in this connection. Okay, yeah, this is the Chariot is clarified by this. The High Priestess, the Tower, and the Three of Pentacles. Okay, got it? Let me see what to expect from this person till the end of November, or the potential outcome. What is happening? Let me see. Aquarius. Eight of Wands in reverse. I see communication is coming in, but this is kind of very less communication, or no communication at all. There's a blockage in the communication. Might be you guys are at distance with each other and you guys are not able to make time for each other, or one person is deliberately blocking the communication with the other person because right now they're not ready for this connection to work out in the future, or think about the future. It is like there's a blockage, certain kind of blockage, and the intuition is there. Communication is there, intuition as well. Let me clarify. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Taurus energy is also here. Cancer energy is also here. Let me clarify. The Hanged Man, the Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups. This person is stuck on you. They want to offer you communication, they want to offer you friendship, but I feel like for the time being they're walking away. Energetically they're walking away, but physically they're walking away, but energetically I feel like this person wants to make things work out between you guys. But right now this condition is like it's not working out, no matter how hard you are trying, no matter how hard they are trying. There's a blockage in the communication, things are not working out between you guys. There's something that is not, there's a missing puzzle here, there's missing part here that is not working out, and you have to fill the missing part. Okay, so the Eight of Wands in reverse is clarified by the Hanged Man, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. Somebody is walking away because of the lack of communication. Either you or them, I don't know, but the potential outcome is telling me that they are walking away because they are right now stuck and they are not ready for renewing this relationship or thinking about this relationship much because of the lack of communication, because of might be miscommunication or communication gap. Kind of difficult situation that you are right now. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, Aquarius. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.